So if you've been wondering what kind of exercises should I be doing to try to help my vertigo, today I want to go over one that's been very helpful for our patients. So I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center. I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. If you're someone you know has had vertigo and they don't know what to do, be sure to share this video with them to help them get what they need. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So when we're dealing with vertigo, this is really not for when someone is in the spins. If you're in the spins, go ahead and check out this video where I go through one of the maneuvers that has helped hundreds of thousands of people around the world to get out of the spins while you're at home. But this is for someone who is no longer in the spins, but still has that feeling of off-balancedness. This is an exercise that you can use and do to try to help set and strengthen some of the balance and coordination within your head and your skull. Although when you're in this stage, it's really also important to have your spine checked by a corrective chiropractor. If you need help finding one, go ahead and writing down below and we'll look to help you with finding the right person. For this exercise, what you're going to do is you're going to put an X on a wall that's right nearby you. And what you're going to do with it is you're going to look to stand straight away to it and wind up looking at it. And once you've looked at it and you can see it, then you're going to wind up keeping your eyes on the X but turning your head as far as you can without getting dizzy, off balanced, or nauseous. And then you're gonna just go back to neutral and you're gonna go the other way doing the same thing. You're gonna do this 5 times in each direction every day. This is gonna help to wind up connecting some of the muscles within the top of your neck that wind up helping to control vertigo, dizziness, and balance with the semicircular canals within your ears. With this one, I really have to give a major shout out to one of my team members, Nicole. She helps me with most of my video production. So if you guys can also help me by just giving her a thank you down below. If you appreciate the videos we've done, she's been a major help in it. So just go, thanks Nicole, you're the best. Give her a thumbs up. She would really appreciate that. In terms of doing this exercise, that's gonna be the first step that I look for you to do in trying to restore your balance. If this is challenging for you, go ahead and write down below, and we may need to take a step back to our 5 steps to getting out of the vertigo spins fast, or hop on a discovery call to figure out what's going on and to figure out how to help you get back to being you. If you've got more questions, please write them down below. I'm constantly going through the comments to respond and keep up to date with you to give you the best tools and answers to help you get out of the vertigo spins, get back to life the way you want, so that you can live an amazing, fantastic life. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.